Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. Here in this presentation, I will be guiding you about hardware and networking course. Computer hardware is the combination of physical components or parts that makes the computer system, whereas a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. So exactly, what does hardware and networking personnel do? They install new computers and upgrades or repairs them. Computer technicians use their knowledge of computer hardware to troubleshoot user problems. Hardware personnel work with users at all levels in the workplace, from administrators to CEOs. They must know how computer technology operates and how to solve computer problems that baffle the average users. They install hard disks, floppy drives, CD drives, sound blaster card, CPU, memory, power supply unit, network card, video graphics card, hard disk controllers card on PC systems. Continuing with the above topic, they even make infrastructure work with little or no interference. Managing and maintaining servers, PCs, routers, and switches. They configure, manage, and maintain networking equipments. They even install, configure, and administer network technologies. Backup management, reporting, and recovery is also one of their tasks. Virus protection and eradication, maintenance of MS Exchange environment, and providing training of troubleshooting of computer hardware devices, etc., is one of their responsibility. So let's see what are the professional strengths required to be a hardware and networking professional. He must possess extensive knowledge of course development. He must be proficient enough in delivering effective classroom training sessions. He must also have excellent organization skills and ability to prioritize workload. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills are also must. Strong IT skills and excellent problem solving skills are additional. Good analytical thinking and planning, accuracy and attention to details. Let's discuss what are the career options after becoming a hardware and networking professional. So, here are some of the career options. You can be a system administrator. You can even be a network administrator. You can be a system engineer. You can be a technical engineer. You can be a network engineer. You can also choose tech support, help desk technician, network support technician, and you can even be an IT administrator. Here are some of the organizations where hardware and networking professional can execute their skills. They can work in IT companies, banks, computer coaching institutes, schools, colleges, telecom industries, railways, airports, etc.